Online passive income, is it legit? 5 frequently asked questions. I find it hard to explain what I do to make online income. It's an awkward questions at parties, as so few people have any idea that you make a real income online. I get the impression that most think I do something pretty illegal. So I put together this article of frequently asked questions about making an online income. How do I make passive income online? You develop a business. A business which consists of a number of websites, all of which are focused on providing a service or product that your visitors want. How long will it take me to make money online? I have absolutely no idea. Neither does anyone else, so don't believe them if they guarantee that you will make thousands within the week. This is a business which will take time to develop. I certainly wouldn't count on making any money for the first 6 months. That way, if you do, you will pleasantly surprised. How much does it cost to start an online business? It can cost as little as nothing. You don't even need your own website to start. You start using free sites such as Blogger and Hub Pages. Initially, you need to educate yourself, and I would say avoid paying for any expensive products or services outside of domain names and hosting. Spend the time to become informed. It's the best way to avoid being scammed by the fake it till you make it make money online crowd. And never buy anything which doesn't have a money back guarantee from a third party. Can you really legal to make money online? Yes, you can. A car salesman makes a commission every time he sells a car. In the same way, I make money every time an item is sold on Amazon or eBay to a visitor who came from my website. On another site, I may make money if someone clicks on an AdSense ad on the page. Can you make a lot of income online? Yes, but it's rare. I have online mentors who make over $20,000 per month, but they are skilled and gifted businessmen and salesmen. I don't make anything like that amount, and to be honest, I don't need to make that amount of money either. I have an income goal of $1,500 a week and believe that I will achieve that in the next year or so.